Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add admins to your Facebook page. So let's get started. So first what you want to do is go here to the Meta Business, and then here you want to go here on all tools, and after that go to page settings, and after you have been directed here, go to page rules. And now you are here, type a name or a friend's email. In Facebook, you can type it here, and after that, it will be sent to their messenger that they've been decided to be someone here. You can decide whether they want to be admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. You can invite them. Please by just providing the details here. Let's say you want him or her to be an admin, so you just get the details, and if you're adding a new admin to your page, just keep in mind that they will have the same permission as you do to make changes to this page. So once you have done this, provide the email or names, then choose the role. You can just click on add, and that is how you added admin or other roles to your Facebook page.